Ever wonder what those two bean-shaped champions working silently in your lower back are all about? That's right, your kidneys. They're the ultimate filtration system, constantly whooshing away impurities and keeping your blood squeaky clean. But just like any hard worker, your kidneys need the right fuel to keep them functioning at their best. Feeling a little curious about what kind of foods can give your kidneys a high five? Well, buckle up because we're about to unveil 7 delicious superstars that will keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below letting us know if you're interested in learning more about kidney-friendly foods. And let's dive in. Number 1. Kale. The dark leafy green that's taken the health world by storm isn't just trendy, it's a powerhouse for your kidneys. This veggie boasts an impressive array of vitamins, but the true stars for kidney health are vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is a champion for healthy renal tissues and a strong immune system, while vitamin C, another antioxidant warrior, fights free radicals that can damage your kidneys over time. But wait, there's more. Kale is rich in vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. While blood clotting might not seem directly linked to your kidneys, maintaining good cardiovascular health is crucial for overall kidney function. Here's the bonus. Unlike some leafy greens, kale is relatively low in potassium, making it a perfect choice for those needing to manage their potassium intake. Number 2. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, the cruciferous vegetable with a million disguises, think rice, pizza crust, or even wings, is another superstar for kidney health. The key here is its low potassium content. For people with compromised kidney function, managing potassium intake is essential. Cauliflower provides a wealth of nutrients without the potassium overload. Remember, keeping your potassium levels balanced is crucial for optimal kidney function, as these vital organs are responsible for regulating potassium in your body. High potassium levels can lead to a condition called hyperkalemia, which can be dangerous for your heart. Beyond its potassium-friendly nature, cauliflower offers a bounty of vitamin C, another antioxidant soldier defending your kidneys from damage. And let's not forget fiber. Fiber is a key player in gut health, and for those with kidney issues, a healthy gut is an often overlooked but important factor. Number 3. Red grapes. Pop open a bunch of red grapes, not just for a delicious snack, but for a surprising kidney supporter. These ruby red jewels are packed with resveratrol, a polyphenol with powerful antioxidant properties. Resveratrol has been grabbing headlines for its potential to combat oxidative stress, a major factor in kidney damage. The antioxidant effects of resveratrol extend beyond your kidneys, offering a helping hand to your entire cardiovascular system. Remember, healthy kidneys and a healthy heart go hand in hand. Studies suggest that resveratrol might even help regulate inflammatory responses, potentially reducing inflammation within your kidneys. This anti-inflammatory prowess goes beyond kidney health, offering a shield against other inflammatory conditions throughout your body. And guess what? The goodness is concentrated in the skin, so don't discard those peels. Certain compounds found in grape skin have shown promise in protecting your kidneys from harm. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes aren't just delicious. They're a vibrant orange beacon of kidney health. These delightful root vegetables are a rich source of vitamins A and C. Just like with kale, vitamin A plays a double role, supporting your immune system and keeping your renal tissues healthy. The antioxidant properties of vitamin A become your body's defense against free radicals, that are sneaky villains that damage your kidneys over time. Sweet potatoes are another excellent source of vitamin C, vital for tissue repair and regeneration. This vitamin also enhances iron absorption, helping to prevent anemia, a concern for some individuals with kidney problems. But wait, there's more. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, a crucial component for digestive health. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is particularly important for people with kidney issues, as these conditions can sometimes affect the gut. Number 5. Apples. An apple a day might not keep the doctor away entirely, but it can certainly be a friend to your kidneys. One of the standout features of apples is their high dietary fiber content, especially soluble fiber in the form of pectin. Fiber plays a starring role in digestive health, promoting regularity and supporting your overall gut health. As we mentioned before, a healthy gut is essential for those with kidney issues. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which contribute to their vibrant colors and potential health benefits. Antioxidants play a pivotal role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, a factor implicated in kidney damage. By incorporating apples into your diet, you actively contribute to cellular protection not only within the kidneys but also throughout your body. The broad-spectrum antioxidant effects of apples align with a holistic approach to supporting overall well-being. Number 6. Onions. Onions aren't just tearjerkers. They're packed with a powerful antioxidant called quercetin, a member of the flavonoid family. Quercetin has been linked to a range of health benefits, including its potential to combat oxidative stress, a major culprit in kidney damage. The antioxidant power of quercetin goes beyond your kidneys, offering overall cellular protection. Compounds like quercetin are also being studied for their ability to modulate inflammatory responses. This means onions can be a natural way to address inflammation, a key aspect of kidney health. The anti-inflammatory benefits of onions have a systemic impact, reducing overall inflammation levels throughout your body. This broader impact highlights the interconnectedness of your organs and reinforces the importance of onions in a comprehensive approach to health. Onions also contain sulfur-containing compounds, including allyl sulfides, which contribute to their distinctive aroma and potential health benefits. These compounds play a role in supporting your body's detoxification processes. Detoxification is a vital function of your kidneys, as they work tirelessly to filter and eliminate waste products from your bloodstream. Including onions in your diet can support these natural detoxification mechanisms, potentially easing the burden on your kidneys. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon, the king of fatty fish, isn't just delicious. It's a nutritional powerhouse for your kidneys. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These superstar fats are renowned for their anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in maintaining kidney health by addressing inflammation, a common thread in various kidney disorders. Research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of developing kidney disease and slow its progression in people already diagnosed. The anti-inflammatory properties of these fats extend to your renal tissues, potentially mitigating inflammation associated with chronic kidney conditions. Beyond its anti-inflammatory prowess, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining overall health and supporting kidney function. Unlike some high-protein foods that can put stress on your kidneys, the protein in salmon is well-balanced and easily digestible. This makes it a perfect choice for people aiming to meet their protein needs without putting undue strain on these vital organs. The amino acids derived from protein intake are crucial for tissue repair and regeneration processes, vital for kidney health. Salmon's protein content, coupled with its omega-3 fatty acids, creates a nutritional profile that not only supports your kidneys, but also contributes to the overall well-being of your cardiovascular and musculoskeletal systems. That's right. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be a chore. These simple dietary tweaks are a win-win for anyone looking to optimize their health. Remember, the food choices we make today pave the way for a healthier tomorrow, and your kidneys play a vital role in that journey. Incorporating these delicious kidney-friendly foods into your meals is a chance to explore new flavors and culinary delights, all while nourishing your body in the best way possible. Thanks for joining us on this tasty exploration. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which of these kidney superstars you're most excited to try, and smash that like and subscribe button for more informative content.